Many people got this wrong because immediately they see this question, once they see 3 here and they see 1/3, they just say 3 cancel 3 and have 1 plus 1 and then they get 10 or whatever they get. That is wrong. Whenever you are dealing with fraction, you need to pay attention to the operation that is involved. Now we know we are supposed to use PEMDAS. Yes. Now we have subtraction, division and addition. That means we are expected to divide before we add or subtract. And don't forget that in PEMDAS, you solve from left to right. For multiplication and division, you solve whichever one appears first. And for addition and subtraction, you solve whichever one appears first. But now, a fraction is involved. So whenever you are to divide by fraction, then you have to, that brings us to the second rule, which we call the keep, change, and and flip rule. That is, whenever you're dividing by a fraction, you keep the first number, which is 3. Now we are focusing on this middle because we want to divide 3 by 1/3. So for us to divide 3 by 1/3, we keep 3, we change the operation from division to multiplication, and then we flip the fraction. 1/3 becomes 3 over 1, and that is 3. So we change the fraction and then we have 3 times 3. So when we have 3 times 3, then what we have left, it has been simplified, then we can continue. So now we have 9 minus 3 times 3 plus 1. We just simplify the middle. We just divided the fraction and we've changed it to multiplication. Now we have to multiply before we subtract or before we add. So that means we have to say 9 minus 3 times 3 is 9. Then we have plus 1. Now we have to solve from left to right. So we subtract 9 minus 9 gives 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So the final answer for this is 1. So pay attention to this. Whenever you are to divide by fraction, it's very straightforward. Just keep the first number, change the operation, and then flip the fraction. It becomes multiplication, and you can easily proceed with the question. And that will be all for this video. See you in the next one.